Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing a simple yet delicious recipe made with aval, also known as flattened rice or poha. Aval is a food that Lord Krishna loves, so it is often used to prepare sweet or savory dishes as an offering to him on his birthday, Gokulashtami. Let's get started with the recipe. We will need 2 cups of thick poha, also known as aval. Grind it into a coarse powder, similar to rava or suji. Check the consistency. It should be coarse, not too fine. Transfer it to a mixing bowl. Add salt to taste and mix well. Sprinkle water little by little over the flour, mixing gently. The texture should be slightly crumbly as shown in the video. Mine was a bit too crumbly, so I pulsed it in a blender just for a few seconds to get a coarse puttu-like texture. Don't overblend. The right consistency is when you can form a small firm ball that crumbles easily back into powder. Preheat your idli cooker, puttu maker or steamer. Spread the crumbly flour on a cloth-lined steamer plate and steam for about 10 minutes. Or until cooked. Meanwhile, roast some cashew nuts and raisins in 2 tablespoons of ghee until golden brown. Set them aside. Once the puttu is cooked and cooled slightly, return it to the mixing bowl and break it up gently. Add cardamom powder, quarter to half cup of jaggery, adjust to your sweetness preference, half cup of grated coconut, and finally the roasted cashew nuts and raisins along with the ghee. Mix everything well and serve immediately. Soft, fragrant, and delicious aval puttu is ready. You can enjoy this as a breakfast with a banana or as an evening snack. Either way, it is absolutely yummy. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tasty recipes and travel videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next one.